Hello everyone, it's JP Pirtle with JP Pirtle Real Estate. Today we're over in Highview in the Whispering Hills area. We just bought this really nice ranch today. We met with these people, I think last week, maybe 7, 8, 10 days ago. And we went over all their best options with them, which included putting it on the market. And it also included selling it as is. They crunched the numbers and they wanted to sell it as is. It was sold as is, no commissions, no closing costs, no showings, no home inspectors, no repairs. Take what you want, leave the rest. We made it really simple for them, but we gave them all their best options. It's a really neat house. They say there's a big housing shortage in Kentucky and Louisville. We've got a lot of houses that we have for sale, and we have a lot of houses we may rent this one. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath brick ranch on a nice walkout basement. Check it out. 3-bedroom. We just bought it, so we're going to come in here and make it look a lot better. It does have a nice, it's going to have a nice finished walkout basement. Beautiful backyard deck and everything out here. So in ending, nice house. If you had any interest in this property, or you or anybody else you know wants to sell their property, wants to know all their best options, including selling as is, no commissions, no closing costs, no showings, no home inspectors, no repairs, no hassles, no stress. Close when you want, take what you want, and leave the rest. Click the link below. We'd love to come out. It's free. There's no obligation to tell you what we can offer you. And also, investors out there, we're buying a lot of properties. We'd love to partner with people. If you want to invest some money in real estate, this is a great return on your money. Click the link below. May the Lord be with all of you all. And today I'm going to say, God bless Charlie Kirk and his family. See you all soon, and thanks for all your business, JP Pirtle.